Form 1 and Form 2 students, welcome to Interpreting Literary Works. And today I am going to make the analysis of the story Kalulu the Hare. The author is Frank Worthington. The setting of this story is somewhere in the forest. But what is the book about? The book is about a character called Kalulu the Hare. This is the central character. Kalulu is clever, wise, and intelligent. Kalulu does whatever he wishes and is always successful. He also makes other animals look foolish by fooling them. Example of Kalulu's cleverness. He helped the wildy cat to attend the part prepared by his enemies by giving him a new name called No Man's Child. Hence, they didn't recognize him. Dear students, let me explain what happened in chapter 1. Chapter 1 has a title, The Village Where People Never Quarrel. This chapter gives a story about the village where people never quarrel. Poor Kate tells Kalulu the Hare about that peaceful village where people live happily without conflict. Kalulu the Hare decides to fool around the villagers and causes them to fight and insult one another. Characters from this chapter 1. Poor Kate. This is a cat, a friend of Kalulu the Hare. He tells Kalulu about the village where people never quarrel. Another character is Kalulu the Hare, and this is the central character. He is clever. He makes the impossible possible. He is a hypocrite. He causes conflict among people where they never quarreled before. He is wise and intelligent. Another character from this story is Anas. He lives in the village where people never quarreled. He owns a fish trap. He fights or quarrels with Sin. Their fight was caused by Kalulu the Hare. Another character is called Sin. He lives in the village where people never quarreled. He owns a guinea fowl traps. He quarrels with Anas. Dear students, apart from the characters from this chapter, there are two themes I have discovered. The first theme is conflict. But what is conflict? Conflict means misunderstanding between or among characters. In this story, Kalulu causes conflict between Anas and Sin. This shows that in real life, conflict is inevitable. Another theme is hypocrisy. This means a behavior in which somebody pretends to have moral standards or opinions that they do not actually have. In this story, Kalulu the Hare is a hypocrite. He causes conflicts between Anas and Sin, who once had no quarrel. Message: conflict is part of life. However, it is better to solve it wisely. Another message is hypocrisy may cause conflict between or among people. So, hypocrisy is not good. Relevance of the story. The story is relevant because in our societies there are many people who are hypocrites, and conflict is also part of our life. Dear students, which character did you like most from this story? Which character did you hate most? Dear students, in this story, there is the dominant figure of speech. The dominant figure of speech is personification. And personification is giving human attributes to non-human beings. Animals like poor cat and the Kalulu the hare are given qualities of speaking like people. Example, poor cat said, "Near my home there is a village. In that village all the people are friends. They never quarrel." The question, which character did you like most? Why did you like him? Dear students, let us look at chapter 2 of Kalulu the Hare. Chapter 2 has the title King Lion. King Lion. This chapter talks about the foolishness of King Lion. He was a leader who killed all the animals, thinking that all the animals are useless. One day, King Lion got a problem. He slept while his mouth open. A snake entered into his stomach. No any animal could help him except all the animals who are wise. The son of Kalulu had hid his father in the hole. He went to King Lion and told him that he would find an old animal who could help him get out of his problems if he promised not to kill any old animal anymore. King Lion accepted. The son of Kalulu brought Kalulu the hare. Kalulu the hare helped King Lion. Kalulu the hare was given half of the country as a gift. Dear students, the following are the characters from this story in chapter 2. The first is King Lion. This is a lion, an animal. He was a king in the forest. He was foolish and cruel. He killed all old animals. Number 2, the second character is Kalulu's son. He is the son of Kalulu. He is wise like his father. He helps King Lion get out of his problem by bringing his wise father. And the third character is Kalulu the hare. He is a wise animal and intelligent. He was not killed by King Lion because he hid himself. He helps King Lion get out of his problem. King Lion was given half of the country because of helping King Lion. Themes from this story. The first theme is ignorance. Ignorance means lack of knowledge or information about something. King Lion is ignorant. He doesn't know the importance of having elders or old people. Due to ignorance, he kills them all. Another theme is leadership. King Lion is shown as a bad leader. He humiliates and kills other animals for no reason. Message from this story. The first message is we must respect old people and take care of them. They are wise. The second message is leaders should serve people. Dear students, this is the end of chapter 2. Stay tuned for analysis of chapter 3 up to chapter 11. Having heard this, let me invite you to subscribe to my channel so that you may be able to get different notifications whenever I upload new videos. Ciao.